everybody, and welcome to another video. Wait, can I stand? Yeah, I could. And if you can't see your face, I think you can. And we're doing the whoopee cushion. That's the first one. If we can reach 15 likes, I'll do another one. And I guess we can just go straight to it. I don't know how many we're going to do. I'm just going to do when I do feel like it. And I'll try not to laugh while I'm doing it, because it could be like a long one, like... That would be funny. I might sound a little bit... I might have a low voice that you can't really hear me, but I'm always like that. Yeah, no one can ever hear me. Yeah. Okay, the first one is this one. Ready? What the heck was that? Okay, this is the next one. I don't think you heard that. It was just like... I know, not fake, man. I'm still in my pajamas. Yes, it's like 1 o'clock. I'm still in my pajamas. Okay. Oh, dust fairies. Now let's actually sit on it. It's gone for 2 minutes 14. Okay. This is my whoopee cushion. Let's face it, so I can hear it more. And that was not a real one. At least it's blow up. So yeah, blow up by itself. Let me see. I think it's broken. That's a big one. You ready for that one? Oh, push the camera. Push the camera. Oh, really fudge. Let's try it here. Ooh. If you enjoyed that, there were some funny ones, some not. Yeah. If you enjoyed it, please put a like, and if we get to 15 likes, I will greatly appreciate that, and I'll do it again. And hopefully soon. I hope. I'm not promising, but I hope. I 90% promise that we will do a movie, my own movie style. It's like a base off Aliens, if you've seen that, and like Walking Dead and stuff like that. Except it's my own way. Except, I don't know, probably mainly Walking Dead, not really Aliens. It's kind of like Predators, if you've seen that. Yeah, it's gonna go for an hour, but there's gonna be, everyone's gonna have 5 minutes, so if we can reach 100 likes on each, I will love that. And yeah, guess there's nothing else to say. Oh yeah, and put in the comments what game I should do on the computer. As long as it's free, like Club Penguin, I got a membership on there, so maybe I should do that. So yeah, goodbye.